Hi everyone! Today we will be making everyone's favorite spring rolls or Shanghai, or some people may call it egg rolls. There are different varieties like vegetables, prawns, chickens, or pork, but this time we will be making the pork, and this is my mom's recipe. And this is my Filipino version with the Vietnamese dipping sauce. Okay, let's begin. So we will be needing 1 kilo of minced pork, and then we will also need 1 head or 4 tablespoons of lightly toasted garlic, we will also need 2 chopped medium onions, add 5 tablespoons of pickle relish or minced pickles or Gerkins. Add 2 grated medium carrots. And then add 1 egg. But because my son is allergic to egg, I don't usually put the egg. I use 1 lightly toasted white bread. And then I make it into a fresh breadcrumbs, and then this will bind my meat together. This time, season it with salt and pepper, just a little bit, maybe half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of pepper. And then add 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. I use the Silver Swan brand because that's what my mom's been using for the last 40 plus years. So now we can wear our food grade gloves, and we can now mix all the ingredients together. Or if you don't have gloves, just simply wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water before mixing it, okay? And this time, just grab a small piece and fry it, or maybe just put it in the microwave. And then this is just to determine if the taste is already according to your taste and preference. So this time, we can now prepare our spring roll pastry or Shanghai wrappers. So I've just prepared 200 pieces. Okay, so when you're done separating the wrappers, it is very important to cover the wrappers with a damp cloth to avoid getting dry. So now let's go to the fun part, which is wrapping them one by one. So we will just need to allocate 1 hour to 2 hours of your time, okay, to wrap all our spring rolls or egg rolls or Shanghai rolls. Okay, so this is what you usually do. It's actually quite very easy. So for the paste, you can use just plain water or egg white. But because my son is allergic to eggs, so I don't usually use eggs or egg whites on my lumpia. Okay, so when you're done wrapping all of your lumpia or Shanghai or egg rolls or spring rolls, you can store them in the freezer. Okay, so use a Ziploc or a freezer bag like this one, and then put them in the freezer. Okay, so it's time to cook them or fry them using a vegetable or canola oil. And then when you're done, you can use a dipping sauce like ketchup, sweet chili sauce, and this time, because I love Vietnamese, I will be using a Nuoc Cham Vietnamese dipping sauce. Okay, so this is how you do it. We will need to add 1 cup water, 3 cloves garlic, so we will need to mince that. And then we will need to add 2 Birds Eye Chillis or siling labuyo. Okay, I'll just get rid of the seeds, just a little bit of seeds. Add the juice of 1 small lemon, 4 tablespoons of white sugar, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce or patis, and then just mix well until the sugar is dissolved. Here you go, this is your perfect nuoc cham or Vietnamese dipping sauce. We will also need to cut small pieces of iceberg lettuce. And here you go, let's ready to dig in.